Hey, Lauren here. It is nice and windy in Colorado, and as you can see, you can't see anything because we're right in the middle of the snowpocalypse. So I wanted to send out a couple reminders. One, stay safe. That's most important. If you're a homeowner or even renting an apartment, keep those pipes on. You do not want to burst pipe right now. Also, if you're a homeowner, it's the time to check your roof, and you will, well, right now you will be regretting not doing periodic maintenance on that roof, because you will find if there's any flaws in your roof, this snow is really thick and it's really heavy, and so if there are any issues with your roof, you're probably going to be finding them out within the next 2 weeks. Also, once the snow starts to melt, check the drainage. If you happen to be in due diligence right now for a house, or you're doing a new construction build, check the drainage, because there's going to be a lot of drainage with these, 12 inches, 24 inches of snow. It's time to watch the drainage and where this snow goes, and hopefully it doesn't roll into your house. So thank you guys, stay safe.